So now we are going to discuss about the material management. Exactly what SAP material management is. Okay. So SAP stand for material management. Okay. Stand for material management. SAP material management is a module in SAP ERP. Okay. That manage procurement, inventory and material resource within an organization. Okay. It is the backbone of logistic area which incorporates module like sales and distribution, production and planning, plant and maintenance, project system, warehouse management, and which are obsessed on module. Material extremely management, okay, it play a key role in supply chain management and logistic. Here, a friendly overview we have, that is the different that is classified into four different type or way. Okay. So basic concept of material management, SAP material management. So SAP material management is divided into several components that helps manage material efficiently. Okay. So the key concept include like a material master data, procurement process, inventory management, valuation and pricing. These four are the key component of SAP material management. Material management have first one is a key component as material master data. So material master data store about a material. Okay, material detail, material master store details about a material such as description, unit of measure, valuations. Like a vendor master contain information about the supplier such as contact details, payment terms. Purchasing information record, so link a material with the vendor and store pricing and delivery details. Okay, इसमें क्या होता है, परचेज इन्फो रिकॉर्ड में मटेरियल का जो रिकॉर्ड होता है वो वेंडर एंड प्रीवियस जो भी प्राइसिंग का जो डिटेल्स है, डिलीवरी का डिटेल्स है, एवरीथिंग मेंशन किया जाता है. सोर्स लिस्ट, सो डिफाइन प्रीफर्ड वेंडर फॉर स्पेसिफिक मटेरियल. सोर्स लिस्ट का मतलब है कि समटाइम व्हाट हैपेंस ना, suppose you are trying to procure four different kind of material or item, but in one out of four, one material is not possible to supply the particular vendor. For that reason you have to go with the different one. So in those cases, source list will help you to define the prefer vendor for the specific material, कि मटेरियल, ये जो मटेरियल है वो केवल और केवल इसके पास ही मिलता है या मिलेगा, अदरवाइज किसी के नहीं पास मिलेगा. तो दिस इज अबाउट द फोर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मास्टर डेटा फॉर SAP material management. The next is the procurement process. So under the procurement process we have five different kind of things like a purchase requisitions, purchase request for quotations, purchase order, goods receipt and invoice verifications. So let's see what is purchase requisitions. So this is the internal document that contain internal request, means and which is given by the requester for the procuring material. And the second one is a request for quotation. So it is invite vendor for bid or supply. Okay. रिक्वेस्ट फॉर कोटेशन से क्या होता है, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ वेंडर्स क्या होते हैं ना, पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. वो अपना पर्टिकुलर प्राइस के लिए अपनी जो रेट होता है ना वो डिसाइड, वो क्या ओपन करते हैं उसमें, बट जो लोवेस्ट वन होगा तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल सेलेक्ट द लोवेस्ट बिडर. जिसकी प्राइस कम रहेगी वो उसको वो प्रोक्योरमेंट का PO है वो चला जाए. ओके. परचेज ऑर्डर, so this is the formal order sent to vendor for material or service. Procurement, fourth one is the goods receipts, the confirmation of material from the vendor. Okay, when we do goods receipt note na, this is the confirmation of delivery of material from the vendor. And the last one is the invoice verifications. So match vendors invoice with purchase order and goods receipt before the payment. जो फिजिकल मटेरियल्स आप रिसीव करते हो और जो परचेज ऑर्डर होता है और जो गुड्स रिसिप्ट के लिए आपको इनवाइस मिलता है, उन तीनों को आप कंपेयर करोगे और उसमें देखोगे कि मटेरियल शॉर्टेज तो नहीं है या एक्सेस तो नहीं है. देन उस कंडीशन में आप वेंडर को क्या करते हो, इन्फॉर्म करते हो एंड आफ्टर दैट यू प्रोसेस फॉर द पेमेंट. द थर्ड सेक्शन इज इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट. So in inventory management we do goods issue, goods receipt, stock transfer, और फिजिकल इन्वेंट्री काउंटिंग स्टॉक एंड रिकॉन्साइल द डिस्क्रिपेंसी. अब गुड्स इशू का मतलब है वेन एवर द गुड्स और मटीरियल विल रिक्वायर फॉर द प्रोडक्शन पर्पज और मेंटेनेंस पर्पज or sales purpose, we will issue the goods. Next one is the goods received. So this is again confirmation of delivery, confirmation the delivery of material from the vendor. Okay, what material we have received at our store. And this is the stock transfer. So the stock transfer means moving material between storage location or plant. Suppose nearby you have one another plant like Noida and you are working from the Delhi, but in case if they will require some material for certain cases in emergency, so you have to give them. So in those cases, if you are transferring some material, means if you are giving the material to them, then you have to do some stock transfer from your plant to another plant, as well as your stock storage location to another storage location. And this is the last one in the physical inventory. So इसमें क्या होता है कि you have to visit near means store department or store area, and you have to count the physical inventory of the spares and materials, and then reconcile कि नहीं आपके पास कितना अवेलेबल है और आपके स्टॉक में कितना दिख रहा है फिजिकली और ऑनलाइन. ओके. एंड थर्ड वन इज वैल्यूएशन एंड प्राइसिंग. सो मटेरियल वैल्यूएशन. सो डिफाइन हाउ मच मटेरियल आर वैल्यूएटेड. मीन्स मटेरियल में जब हम प्राइस मेंटेन करते हैं कि उसका स्टैंडर्ड प्राइस क्या है, मूविंग एवरेज प्राइस क्या है, सो वो होता है आपका वैल्यूएशन के अंडर में आता है. And invoice verification. So ensure vendor invoice match with PO and GR. So ये 4 different kind of key component of material management are okay, and all the process means whatever the process you have to gone through, you have to follow those steps. आपका ये this is I mean कि this is the core things for material management. Now the next is what is the features. So features means or benefits I can say, or main components discuss करेंगे हम यहाँ. So feature means SAP material management is one of the module of SAP that deals with the material management, inventory management. Material management is are the process ensure no shortage of material or any gap in the supply chain process of the organizations. SAP MM is speed up the procurement and material management activity, making the business run smoothly with complete time and time, cost and efficiency. It deals with managing materials, product and services and resource of an organization with the aim of accelerating productivity and reducing the cost. At the same time, SAP MM is quite versatile and accommodate changes that are frequent in any business environment. And it deals with the procurement process, master data, account determination, valuation of material, inventory management, again invoice verifications, material requirement plan. So these are the features. So in interview, sometime interviewer will ask you what are the different benefits and what kind of SAP implementation benefit. SAP, suppose if you implement SAP and material management for your organization, what kind of benefit you can get and for which region you are implementing. So these are the functions or features which help as a ERP resource for a customer or for any of the organizations. कोई भी customer if implement SAP MM module as a SAP ERP system, so वो क्या होता है, these kind of benefit they can get. और इसका बहुत ज़्यादा रोल, अभी ये सारे वर्ड के अलग अलग मीनिंग्स होते हैं. The main component in SAP MM module are purchasing, inventory management, invoice verification, physical verification, material valuations, material requirement planning, material master and service master. So these are the major component. Okay, if purchasing helps or helps to user to control their entire purchasing process. Inventory management allow user to keep the track of material in stock, also help user to perform operation like goods receipt, goods issue, physical stock transfer. Invoice verification allow user to verify invoice from the vendor. The invoice compared with the purchase order and goods received in the following 3 way: content, price and quantity. Physical inventory allow user to keep track the material stored in the organizations. And valuations, so it allow user to calculate the value of all fixed and current asset along with the payable at a certain time with the appropriate legal requirement. Material requirement planning, it helps user to create a material plan, a procurement plan for a plant and company. Material master helps user to manage all the material related data. इससे क्या होता है, यूजर को काफ़ी हेल्प मिलता है. And service master, so it helps organization to keep record of all the service that are in process. So this is the just a benefit. अब आपको मैं बता दूं कि when you will prepare your resume, so you have to add these kind of things in your resume. आप अपने रिज्यूमे में, सीवी में यही सारी चीज़ें मेंशन करते हैं कि जो बेनिफिट होता है ना एसएपी मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट का, दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स यू मैनेज अंडर योर I mean CV and resume. Why? Because by using SAP ERP system as a material management module, you can do these kind of means you can manage these kind of business functions. So you are responsible for doing these kind of things. This is the meaning. अगर इससे आपको, अगर SAP मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट यूज करने से अगर एक कस्टमर को ये बेनिफिट मिलता है, तो आपको भी इससे यही बेनिफिट है. और ये सेम काइंड की एक्टिविटी आप करके एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बेनिफिट दे रहे हो, तो वही आपकी रोल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. आप यही सारे वर्क करते हो, ये भी बता दूं. ये स्पेशली फॉर अनुज के लिए है, आई मीन गिरीश, ये आपके लिए स्पेशली है. बिकॉज दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी यू डू. और वाई यू आर यूजिंग SAP मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट एज SAP ERP सिस्टम, वो इसका मतलब यहाँ है. तो इंटरव्यू में वो क्वेश्चन पूछे तो जस्ट यू कैन यूज दिस वर्ड टू एक्सप्लेन कि व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ व्हाट आर द इम्पॉर्टेंस, ये सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई एम मूविंग फॉर द SAP ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, वी विल कवर्ड इन द नेक्स्ट because this is a important topics. So we will connect and we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm stopping recording. If you have any question, please ask.